Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful diaper bag. I love it. It's a nice color. It's a nice olive green. It is water resistant, so if it gets water, it won't go through. So that's really nice. It's very lightweight, but really big and holds a lot, which I'll show you. It has this strap right here that you can attach it to your traveling carry-on, so that way you don't have to carry it. You can just attach it there and it's perfect. It has this strap. This snaps together, so that way both straps could be together if you want. That opens up. Right here also snaps. If you want to open it better, you can just open that up and it opens up wide. So really nice. It has the shoulder strap as well, so it's nice and convenient. So you can do both. Now back here you have a zipper pocket. So as you can see, it's a nice big size, so fits a lot. Then on the sides you have also one pocket here and another pocket on this side. So again, fits a lot. You can put diaper wipes, anything basically in there. Then on the front, let me show you the front first. It has a pacifier holder, which is really nice and convenient with these little tassels. So as you can see, and then right in the front, it has another zipper with extra pockets inside. So that's really great, and it has a little hook so you can attach. I like to attach the keys so that way you always know where it is and they're always on here. So perfect. Then we go inside. So inside is really big. It has a diaper changing pad, so that's nice and convenient. And then it has two mesh pockets on the side. Over here it has insulated pockets for bottles, so you can fit up to 3 bottles in here, and they're really nice size. Then it has 2 pockets on this side for you to put other stuff. It has another zipper pocket over here, and then the bottom is all open. So really nice size. Again, I love this bag. This is my favorite bag so far. You know, I've gone through 3 kids, and this bag, like I said, is perfect. It's lightweight, it fits a lot, and it's great to travel with, very convenient, and just looks really nice and modern. So I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.